Especially in the digital marketing world, there are lots of skills involved, and most of them are crucial for you to master. But if I had only one choice, I would surely choose the communication skill, and in this brief video I'll tell you everything you need to know why this skill has a huge impact on your business. To be very precise and direct, you should master your ability to communicate properly in different selling environments: video, one-to-one, and one-to-many. Here are 3 reasons why. Reason number 1, your ability to persuade. When you become good or great at communicating anything, it means that you have developed persuasion skill. In a nutshell, you can influence people's behavior by using the word's power. Indeed, communicating means persuading, teaching, and influencing people's decisions. Regardless of what you want to sell, keep in mind that people today buy you first, by your persona, and then your products and or services. Your personal brand is more important than anything else. And you can create a strong personal brand if you expose yourself by sharing your ideas, your points of view, what you believe in and what you don't believe in. No one is exactly like you in the entire world. You are unique. There is no copy of yourself. This is the most crucial differentiation that you must use today in the digital world. Regardless of the words you use, do not forget that your ability to communicate anything is dictated by your body language, 55%, and the paraverbal communication, 38%. This means that the words you use impact only 7% of your communication. Let me give you an example by saying the following sentence in 2 different ways. Example number 1. I'm Max Cecco, and I can definitely teach you the most crucial and high-paid digital marketing skills to let you create even a 7-figure business and get the freedom you deserve. Example number 2. I'm Max Cecco, and I can definitely teach you the most crucial and high-paid digital marketing skills to let you create even a 7-figure business and get the freedom you deserve. I have used the same words but changed my voice and body language. This makes all the difference. Now, let's switch to the second reason you must develop your communication ability. Reason number 2. Establishing relationships. Thanks to your ability to communicate and attract people's attention, your main priority is establishing a true relationship with your fans, your followers, prospects, and clients. Indeed, I firmly believe we are all in the relationship business, regardless of the product or service you want to sell. And first of all, we are transitioning from selling something to someone fast to selling something to someone after creating a solid relationship. When people love and trust you, selling anything is quick and easy. From my perspective, establishing relationships means understanding people's problems and concerns, developing empathy, showing a sincere desire to understand their point of view, becoming a great listener first, creating the right affinity, sharing the same values, etc. The key point is this: pay very close attention. When you start a business, the first aspect you should work on is defining your brand positioning, who you want to serve, what's important for you, your values, your beliefs, and so on. It is a wide topic. In a nutshell, when you are aware of who you are and who you want to serve, you adopt your communication style and you will attract people exactly like you. So, your communication influences your target audience, the people you want to work with. This concept I've just shared could be banal, but it is a game changer. Now, let's switch to the third and final reason why you must develop your communication ability. Reason number 3, selling and closing deals. When you master your communication ability, selling anything to anyone will become easier and quicker. Indeed, selling means mastering the art of communication, period. The selling process will become faster if you decide to develop your distribution channel. Creating your distribution channel means choosing a network and becoming a steady presence to nurture your fans, your followers, with great, valuable content. If they trust you because of your information and value shared, you become their guide, and you can easily influence their buying behavior. You can practically sell anything, and for sure many of your fans will buy those stuff. And when you get people's attention, you can establish deals, partnerships, and commercial agreements with other influencers or big brands and be generously paid. With that said, if you want to improve your communication skills right now, I recommend you to watch this video. 7 top ways to improve your communication skills. They changed my life forever. Once you have mastered these ways to communicate a message, you will be perceived as more charismatic, attractive, and persuasive. So, watch this video now.